Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best metal rolling cart is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable storage solutions available today, offering a mobile and organized way to keep your belongings tidy and accessible. Whether you're looking to declutter your kitchen, streamline your workspace, or add extra storage to your bathroom, a well-designed rolling cart can transform chaos into order with its practical design and effortless maneuverability. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful features make it an ideal choice for anyone seeking to maximize space and enhance functionality in their home or office. Number 5. MIOCASA 3-tier metal utility rolling cart. Introducing a versatile rolling cart designed to bring neatness and elegance to any room. It's perfect for organizing your office, kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom. Crafted with a heavy-duty steel frame and a rust-resistant finish, this cart is built for durability. Each shelf can hold up to 71 pounds, easily handling your everyday storage needs. Navigate your space with ease thanks to the 4 360-degree rotating rubber wheels. They provide smooth, flexible, and quiet movement wherever you need it. Get organized in minutes. This cart comes with all the necessary tools and clear instructions for quick assembly. You can even customize the shelves or use the removable handle to meet your specific storage requirements. With dimensions of 13.39D x 18.07W x 30.98H, it offers ample storage without taking up too much space. Its multifunctionality makes it an ideal addition to any home or workspace. What we like? This cart offers robust construction with heavy-duty steel and rust-resistant coating, ensuring longevity. Its lockable casters provide stability when needed, and the adjustable shelves offer flexibility. If you need a versatile cart for various household tasks or storage needs, this is a great choice for its durability and adaptability. What people say? It is sturdy. It is roomy. So far MIOCASA has loaded about 1 million rubber stamps and ink pads into the middle section and a plethora of pens and markers, craft scissors, adhesives, decorative hole punches, ribbons, foil embossing supplies, a paper cutter, double-sided tape, stickers, embellishments, and a ream of cardstock in the top tray. The bottom holds all sorts of mysterious boxes as well as her projects in progress. It rolls easily and is light enough for her to move around from carpet to hardwood floor with no trouble. This cart is an easy and fast solution to my storage problems. I do a lot of tarot and needed to have my decks handy while being able to store them where they won't get faded from the sun. With only 2 shelves I fit around 40 decks with room to spare. Would assume you could fit that many books in the same amount of space. I bought the 4-tier option and the bottom tier is the biggest shelf. From there they taper smaller as they go up but not by much. It is made of metal. The wheels are easy to push as the bearings are smooth. Instructions are simple and minimal. Took me about 20 minutes to assemble. Came with all parts plus 1 extra screw and nut. Oh, and one has a brake to keep it locked from rolling away. The cart is made from durable materials and the pink color is a fun pop of color. It is the perfect size for my needs and rolls smoothly from room to room. The shelves are adjustable, which is a great feature, and it was easy to assemble. I have used it to transport groceries, books, and even laundry and it has held up well. Number 4. SONGMICS 3-tier metal storage rack with wheels. This durable storage rack is built with a robust steel frame and mesh shelves. It's perfect for use in your entryway, kitchen, or bathroom, providing long-lasting organization. The unique X-shaped sidebars not only reinforce the structure but also prevent items from falling. They add a charming industrial flair to your space. You can decide how to set it up. Install the casters for easy mobility or the adjustable feet for stability on uneven surfaces. With dense mesh shelves and a strong steel frame, it offers firm support for items of all sizes. It can hold up to 44 pounds per shelf with casters or 110 pounds with adjustable feet. It arrives in premium packaging to prevent damage. Clear instructions and numbered parts ensure a quick and hassle-free assembly process. What we like? This unit boasts an industrial aesthetic with reinforcing X-side bars for added stability and style. You have the flexibility to choose between casters for mobility or adjustable feet for balance. If you appreciate a blend of form and function, and want a sturdy rack that complements your decor, this is the one for you. What people say? Can be moved throughout home, fits trays perfectly, sturdy for mounting lights. The wheels are plus. I also have an over-the-door shoe rack for my dress shoes. Worth the money, could even use it in the kitchen if needed. The wheel's casters can be locked down or free spinning to suit your needs. On flat flooring such as hardwood, vinyl, or laminate flooring, it's very easy to roll the rack into and out of its storage position. Number 3. WDT 990 pounds heavy-duty rolling utility cart. Introducing a robust rolling utility cart designed for demanding tasks. It boasts an impressive 990 pounds capacity, constructed from high-quality industrial-strength metal with an anti-rust finish for durability and easy cleaning. Navigate your space with ease thanks to 4 silent 360-degree casters that ensure smooth transport of heavy loads. 2 locking wheels provide firm stability when you need it to stay in place. This cart features a convenient push-bar handle, a ventilated basket, and adjustable shelves that can be customized to your specific needs. It also includes shelf liners and hooks for added utility. With its sturdy construction and industrial wheels, this metal utility cart is perfect for a wide range of applications. It's ideal for kitchens, offices, restaurants, garages, and many other settings. Setting up this durable cart is a breeze, taking approximately 15 minutes with no tools required. We stand by its quality and are here to assist with any questions within 24 hours. What we like. Engineered for extreme loads, this cart features a 990 pounds capacity and commercial-grade construction. It includes a convenient handlebar for easy maneuvering and silent casters with locks for stability. If you're looking for a heavy-duty solution for professional or demanding home use, this cart is built to handle it. What people say. This rolling cart is very sturdy and well-made, with a durable metal construction that feels like it will last for years. The wheels on this cart are incredibly smooth and easy to maneuver, even when fully loaded. They glide effortlessly across different floor surfaces. Assembly was a breeze. All the parts fit together perfectly, and I had it put together in under 15 minutes with no tools required. Number 2. WDT Heavy-Duty 3-Tier Utility Cart. Experience unmatched durability with our heavy-duty metal utility cart. Its robust construction ensures excellent resistance to rust and oxidation, supporting an impressive weight capacity for all your needs. Setting up this rolling cart is a breeze. With no tools required, you can have it fully assembled in just 10 minutes, making organization quick and convenient. Adapt the storage to your specific items. The shelves are easily adjustable in 1-inch increments, allowing you to customize the spacing between each layer for perfect organization. Navigate your space with ease thanks to the silent, smooth rolling wheels. 2 locking brakes provide added safety and stability when you need it. This cart is designed for a multitude of uses. It's perfect for kitchens, offices, bathrooms, and more, serving as a reliable storage and transport solution wherever you need it. Measuring 35.04 L x 32.52 H x 18.11 W, this cart offers ample storage without taking up too much space. We're confident you'll love its convenience and functionality. What we like. This cart is built with a durable metal construction featuring high-temperature baking varnish for excellent rust and oxidation resistance. It offers a substantial 992 pounds total weight capacity and adjustable wire shelving for customized storage. If you prioritize long-term durability and a high load-bearing capacity for frequent use, this cart is an excellent investment. What people say. This cart is especially strong, capable of holding 330 pounds on each of its 3 shelves. Its wheels are of quality material and are strong while being an unobtrusive, well-proportioned size with locks. The company was excellent help when I emailed about a post cap having been damaged in shipping. They responded within a few hours to my email and kindly sent a perfect replacement pole. Number 1. BolDuck Heavy-Duty 3-Tier Utility Cart. Experience superior durability with our heavy-duty utility cart. Constructed from high-strength metal, it boasts exceptional resistance to rust and oxidation, capable of holding up to 990 pounds on its reinforced shelves and sturdy frame. Navigate your space with ease thanks to the 360-degree silent casters. These industrial-grade wheels allow for swift and smooth transport of heavy loads, with 2 featuring locks for secure positioning when needed. This cart is thoughtfully designed with a convenient handle, a ventilated basket, and adjustable shelving for personalized storage. It also includes shelf liners and hooks to keep everything organized. Its multifunctional design makes it perfect for a wide range of uses. Whether for your kitchen, office, garage, or commercial space, it's ideal for storing and transporting various items. Set up your new cart in just 15 minutes with no tools required. We stand by its high-grade material and offer prompt support for any inquiries you may have. What we like. Featuring thickened wire shelves and 4-inch industrial casters, this cart is designed for exceptional durability and smooth transport of heavy loads. The inclusion of a ventilated basket adds extra utility. If you need a robust and mobile storage solution that can handle substantial weight and offers convenient features, this cart is an ideal pick. What people say. It rolls easily over floor transitions and requires minimal effort from her to steer around and back into the pantry room out of the way. She loves the shelves for storage. The cart is a great size for 2 appliances, the height is perfect for her, the wheels are quality, it's very sturdy and holds plenty of weight without feeling like it's top-heavy and is very versatile. Assembly was quick and easy. This cart is very steady, moves easily, and is even attractive enough to use inside the house. Good value because it appears it will last forever. I also really like that the seller provides removable washable plastic liners for each of the 3 shelves. This cart is sturdy and easy to assemble. It held all of my smaller plants, saving me steps. The wheels are strong and sturdy but easy to move. You can also lock them in place if you want to. It has a handle and makes moving around easier. It comes with some hooks that I can hook my bags, pots and pans easy to reach. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.